Hi kids, in today's session we will do some questions based on double digit numbers. Okay, some in-depth questions. Okay kids. Now, before we start, okay, one thing you have to remember that you don't have to learn any new formula for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 because like you got stuck in 1, 2, 3 and 4, no? Friends, we did. You will get stuck in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 everywhere. You don't have to not have to learn the new formula. What do you have to do? You have to get the formulas from one digit formulas only. How? If I want to know the formula of plus 10, I want to know the formula of plus 10. Okay, let's remove 0 from 10. What did I get? 1. Okay, so what was the formula of 1? First, obviously, we will check small friends every time, then big friends. Okay, let's do both of them. Small friends formula is for plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Big friends is plus 10 minus 9. Let's look for small friends right now. Plus 1 minus 5. Where were we? We had to know the formula of plus 10. No, I made you remove 0. So you told me plus 1's formula is plus 5 minus 4. Add the 0 in plus 1's formula. That makes add 0 in plus 1 and its formula. That makes plus 10 equals to plus 50 minus 40. That's exactly the formula of plus 10. What do you mean, ma'am? Okay, I'm making you do question now. I have 40 with me. I have to do 10. Sorry, I have 40 with me. I have to do 10. What did I tell you for the formula of 10? Plus 50 minus 40. I still don't get it, ma'am. It's okay. If I had 4 with me, I had to do plus 1. I don't have beats, so I used to apply plus 1's formula, no? That is plus 5 minus 4. Similarly, I have 40 with me. I have to do plus 10. I don't have beats for plus 10. I will apply its formula plus 50 minus 40. We did 4 plus 5 minus 4 here also for plus 1. Here also we did 4. We had to add 1 plus 5 minus 4. Here also we did. But this is not plus 5 minus 4 anymore. This is plus 40. We had to add 10. We did plus 50 minus 40. What I mean to say is whatever you did there is the same thing you will do here. Just that the rods are being shifted and our numbers are, the place value of the numbers is getting bigger. Okay. Now, what was the formula of plus 2? It was plus 5 minus 3 for small friends. Okay. What will be the formula for plus 20? Plus 50 minus 30. I just added 0 in 2's formula now. What is the formula of 30 now? Ma'am, you are asking me formula of 30. That means I have to add 0 in the 3's formula. Okay. That means small friends formula for plus 30 will be plus 50 minus 20. For 40 it will be plus 50 minus 10. For 50 it will be plus 100 minus 50 because 5's formula was plus 10 minus 5. Clear? Okay. I'll give you another example. I have 30 with me. I have to add 20. Okay. How will I add 20? Ma'am, 20's formula. I don't have beats now again. So 20's formula means 2's formula. I have to add 10. Okay. So that means, ma'am, plus 50 minus 30. Yeah. Clear? Clear. So in the next video, we are going to do questions based on this concept. Okay? Clear? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.